Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create fade out effects to your clips using keyframe in CapCut. So here I've already imported 3 clips. So what you need to do is just add keyframes at the beginning and also the end of each clip, like this. And then to have the fade out effect, just go to the second keyframe of each clip and then lower the opacity of the video. So go to opacity and lower it to your liking. I'm going to go with 35. So, okay, just repeat the steps for all of the clips. And when you're done, just click on the check icon and you'll see the result. So that's how you can have fade out effects by using only the keyframes on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.